So starting the test drive in this Acura MDX, pretty capable V6 here, and then just having the all-wheel drive system on top of that, it makes this a practical used vehicle in my opinion. I'm gonna put it in a sport mode. Let's put this IDS in sport. See if there's any difference here. So the shifts seem pretty snappy actually. But we'll put it to the test as we get on the interstate. So very good pickup, and again having the all-wheel drive system is very helpful. I'm going to put everything back into the comfort settings. And then we'll activate the cruise control here. So ride quality is pretty good. I'm hearing just a little play from the front here. I don't know what that is, but when I hit hard bumps, I just hear a little bit of rubbing or creaking or something. But other than that, pretty fantastic ride. Sound acoustics in here are incredible. I'm hearing the wind noise, but not the road noise. I guess the road noise is what's impressing me. I'm not hearing the tires at all. But the ride is very solid. And what makes these such a hot ticket item, I think, is because they ride so well, they're practical, and with the Honda engine, if you maintain these, they go a long time. Now what's great about this vehicle in particular is this does qualify for this dealership, Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro. It qualifies for their lifetime powertrain warranty, so that's another cool thing about getting this from that dealer in particular. Now, of course, the reliability of these is above average in terms of what I'm used to, but still it's nice to have that additional coverage. You just have to maintain it, and that's kind of what makes the warranty such a good deal for both parties, because if you maintain it like you should, hopefully you won't ever need the powertrain warranty. But if for whatever reason 400,000 miles you get a catastrophic failure with the engine or the transmission, you can get that replaced and then drive it another however many thousand miles if you want. But final thoughts on this, I like the setup. Of course, you get that sound system that comes with most Acuras. Love having the navigation, love having the touchscreen and then the bigger screen up top. And it's just, it's a simplistic but luxurious SUV. It's not like a BMW where it's super complicated. It's also not super sporty like a BMW, but you have the reliability to back it up. If you're not really into hard accelerations, and I mean, it's still quick, but if you're not trying to get maximum performance, you'd rather have maximum reliability, this is the way to go, I think. But I want to give one more thank you to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this MDX today. With all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2015 Acura MDX with the tech package.